Welcome to our channel. In today's video we'll be addressing those pesky little inconveniences that can turn your day upside down. From missing keys, stubborn jar lids, tangled cables to that persistent dust in hard-to-reach places, we'll present you with practical and cost-effective life hacks to tackle these nuisances head-on. If you're curious to learn how to transform your daily routine and save time, money, and your sanity, then keep watching. But before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you won't miss out on our future content. Now let's get started. Life, as we know it, is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. It's the little things, isn't it? You're running late for work and your keys are playing hide and seek. Or perhaps you're starving but that uncooperative pasta sauce jar is putting up a fight. And don't get us started on cable management. In this digital age where we're constantly plugged in, tangled cables can be a real eyesore and hazard. And cleaning? Despite our best efforts, dust and grime find their way into every corner and crevice. But what if we told you that there are simple, practical solutions to these everyday problems? What if we told you that the only things you need are already in your home? So, are you ready to make your life a little bit easier? Are you ready to save time, money, and your sanity? If your answer is yes, then let's dive into these life hacks right now. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy our content, and stay tuned as we reveal some brilliant solutions to your everyday problems. Scene script. Are you always losing your keys? You're not alone. Here's a simple trick to keep them in check. We all know how frustrating it can be when we're in a rush and can't find our keys. But worry no more. This easy-peasy hack got you covered. Imagine using a brightly colored keychain, or even better, attaching your keys to something larger and more noticeable. Think of a fun object that reflects your personality. Maybe a miniature of your favorite superhero, or a plush toy keychain. The brighter and larger, the better. This way your keys will stand out, and you'll be less likely to misplace them. Plus, this hack isn't just practical, it's also cost-effective. Most of these items you can find at a dollar store or even have lying around your house. So not only are you saving time, you're also saving money. This hack will save you time and stress. No more frantic searching for misplaced keys. Struggling with stubborn jar lids? We've got the perfect solution. We've all been there, right? You're trying to open a jar of your favorite jam or pickles, and the lid just won't budge. It's frustrating, and sometimes it can even hurt your hand. But not to worry, we have a simple, cost-effective hack to share with you. Consider grabbing a rubber band. Yes, you heard it right, a common household item. Wrap it around the lid for that extra grip, and voila! It's like having an extra hand. The rubber band increases friction, making the lid easier to twist open. Alternatively, you can run the lid under hot water for a few seconds. The heat causes the metal to expand ever so slightly, breaking the vacuum seal and making it easier to open. And there you have it, 2 simple hacks to make opening jars less of a struggle. This hack is a real risk saver. Say goodbye to your jar opening woes. Tangled cables can be a nightmare, but with this hack, they'll be neat and tidy. Now we've all been there, haven't we? That drawer full of cables, chargers, and wires that seem to have a mind of their own. The moment you close the drawer, it's as if they decide to throw a dance party and get all tangled up. But fret not, we have a simple, cost-efficient solution that will put an end to your cable chaos. Here's what you need: spare toilet paper rolls or cable ties. That's right, these everyday items are about to become your best friends in cable management. Let's start with toilet paper rolls. These cardboard tubes are the perfect size for most cables and chargers. Simply coil your cables, slip them into a roll, and voila! Your cables are now neatly stored and easy to find. You can even get creative with this. Label the rolls with the type of cable they're holding. Decorate them with colorful washi tape or stickers. Not only will this make your drawer look neat, but it'll also add a personal touch to your cable organization. Now, if toilet paper rolls aren't your thing, cable ties are another excellent option. These are especially useful for thicker cables like extension cords or Ethernet cables. Just wrap the cable tie around the coiled cable and it'll stay put. Cable ties are reusable and adjustable, so you can easily add or remove cables as needed. This hack is not just about aesthetics, it's also about prolonging the life of your cables. When cables are tangled and twisted, they can get damaged. By keeping them neatly coiled and separate, you're reducing the chance of wear and tear. And there you have it, a simple, cost-efficient hack that will save you from the dreaded cable chaos. It's a game changer, isn't it? With just a little time and effort, you can transform that messy drawer into a well-organized, easily accessible cable library. This hack will keep your space clutter-free and your cables in check. No more cable chaos. Cleaning can be a chore, but with this hack, it'll be a breeze. Ever find yourself scrubbing away at a stubborn stain, or struggling to get rid of a pesky patch of grime? Well, I've got a solution for you. It's time to bid farewell to those pricey, chemical-filled cleaners and say hello to two of your kitchen's best friends, vinegar and baking soda. Here's the magic of it. The vinegar, with its acidic properties, is a natural deodorizer and can break down grime, while the baking soda, with its mildly abrasive nature, can tackle those stubborn stains. Together, they form a powerful, all-natural, all-purpose cleaner that's not only effective, but also easy on your wallet. To whip up this cleaning concoction, simply mix equal parts of vinegar and baking soda until you get a paste. Apply this paste to the stubborn stains or dirty surfaces and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Then, scrub away with a brush or a sponge. You'll be amazed at how quickly and easily those stains disappear. Now let's move on to another handy cleaning hack, the lint roller. Yes, you heard right. This little tool, typically used for removing lint from your clothes, can work wonders on your lampshades and upholstery. Just roll it over the surface, and watch as it picks up dust, lint, and pet hair with ease. It's a quick and convenient way to keep your home looking its best. So, the next time you're tackling your cleaning chores, remember these two simple hacks. Not only will they make your cleaning routine much easier, but they'll also save you a pretty penny by reducing the need for expensive commercial cleaners. Cleaning doesn't have to be a dreaded task. With these hacks, you're well on your way to a cleaner, fresher home without breaking a sweat or your bank account. This hack will not only save you money on expensive cleaners, but also make your cleaning routine much easier. So there you have it, simple, cost-effective hacks to make your everyday life a little bit easier. Let's take a quick walk down memory lane, shall we? We began with the key finding hack, a clever way to ensure you never lose your keys again. Not only does this save you precious time in the morning rush, but it's also a surefire way to keep your stress levels in check. And remember, all you need is a whistle key finder, simple yet effective. Next up was the jar hack. No more straining your wrists or hunting for that elusive rubber grip. With just a spoon or a butter knife, you can pop open any stubborn jar in a jiffy. This hack is a game changer, especially when you're in the middle of cooking and time is of the essence. We then moved on to the cable organization hack. Say goodbye to the tangled mess of wires under your desk or behind your TV. Using just a few binder clips or toilet paper rolls, you can have a neat and organized cable system. This not only makes your space look tidier, but also prolongs the life of your cables by preventing unnecessary damage. And finally, we talked about the cleaning hack. Simple mixture of vinegar and baking soda can work wonders on a variety of surfaces. This eco-friendly and cost-effective solution can replace multiple cleaning products in your home, saving you money and reducing your environmental footprint. Each hack we've discussed today is worth remembering because they're designed to simplify your life and save you money. They're easy to implement, require minimal resources, and the results are immediately noticeable. Before we end, if you found these hacks helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more fascinating videos, and don't forget to click the bell icon for our latest updates. Let's continue this journey of discovery together. Until next time, keep hacking your life for the better.